Within FRYSC Counts with a coordinator role, you have an option that says reports. And if you click on that, you're going to see 5 reports that you can pull. The first 2 reports will likely only be of interest to district contacts or regional program managers. And activity with timeline report, we will talk about in a separate video. But the 2 that I want to point out today are unenrolled reports. And if you are using the unenrolled section within FRYSC Counts, this is how you can pull an Excel spreadsheet that will bring all of that data into a format that you can then manipulate and share. The unenrolled roster report contains names, so I would recommend that you use this report for your purposes only because you do not want to breach confidentiality. But if you would like to pull a roster report for each of the programs that you have entered into the unenrolled section, click the unenrolled roster report and select your school year that you would like to run the report for. You have a few other different options. I would recommend pulling school year and then just selecting a service type if you wish, but you don't need to select anything else. And then you click submit. And this will search everything that you have entered for your center in unenrolled for that specific school year. And this report is comprehensive, so everything that you have entered for the school year that you've selected will show on this screen, and it will have names. So with some minimal Excel skills, you can sort and filter this data and keep that for your records, or as a very nice visual sorted by start date so that you can see your year at a glance. The second report that you can pull is the one that is designed more for stakeholders. So it does not contain any names. It is just a service report for the year that you select. So select your school year. You can select whether it's for a birth to 5 or other non-student. You are not bound by that. I would just select the school year and it will pull everything that you have entered for that year. And this report contains numbers of service recipients and is a little bit more compact report, but you will be able to see every service that you entered for the year. And then you will be able to see the total number of participants that participated in that event. If you are using the unknown numbers, they will also be available to you. So this would be a good report to perhaps pare down and show it to your advisory council or your district contact. So I hope this is helpful. Please let me or your RPM know if you have any questions about these reports, and we'll be happy to help.